Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix verification code not received on WhatsApp. So guys, if you have installed WhatsApp and want to sign up your account and facing the issue that verification code is not received. So guys, you can easily solve this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings and guys make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if not connected, then guys you need to turn on your mobile data, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys, second step is maybe there is bug on your app. So guys, simply you need to scroll it down, click on app management, and guys from here you need to click on app list, and guys after this here you need to search WhatsApp. So guys, after opening your WhatsApp, simply you need to click on storage and cache, and guys you need to clear cache of your app, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys, maybe there is a update problem. So guys, simply you need to open your Play Store and guys search your WhatsApp. And guys after this you need to update your app if not updated, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is network problem. So guys, simply you need to open your settings, click on system, click on reset phone, and guys you need to reset your Wi-Fi settings from here easily. And guys you need to go back and guys make sure that date and time is set automatically, and guys after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.